the 10 animals that travel long distances to reproduce. In this journey, we will explore the extraordinary migration of creatures that defy incredible distances in pursuit of a common goal: reproduction. Get ready to discover the 10 amazing animals that undertake epic journeys, overcoming unsuspected obstacles to perpetuate their species. From maritime journeys to land crossings that defy logic, each story reveals the incredible determination and sacrifice of these living beings on their journey for the continuity of life. Number 10. Whale shark. The whale shark, giant of the oceans, undertakes unique journeys in search of its most crucial goal: reproduction. With its imposing figure that can exceed 12 meters in length, this marine colossus becomes a nomad of the seas during its reproductive migrations. Despite its imposing size, the whale shark possesses a peaceful and fascinating nature. Annually, it ventures to cover long distances, following migratory routes that can span hundreds or even thousands of kilometers. From tropical waters to more temperate zones, these journeys are marked by a silent urgency: the search for ideal breeding areas. During these migratory journeys, whale sharks become ambassadors of the oceans, witnessing and benefiting from the diversity of marine ecosystems. Their presence represents a natural balance and a marvel for those fortunate enough to encounter them on their pilgrimage. Number 9. Tree frog. The tree frog, a tiny and fascinating amphibian, undertakes extraordinary journeys in search of love and reproduction. Despite its small size, this charming being ventures to cover long distances to find its ideal habitat and ensure the continuity of its species. In a natural ballet, these brightly colored frogs with soft skin move from their everyday environments towards larger bodies of water suitable for mating. With astonishing determination, they jump and glide through vegetation in an effort to reach these strategic places. Their journey is quite a challenge. They overcome obstacles, evade predators, and adapt to changing environments. It's a journey where bravery and perseverance intertwine in their instinct to preserve life. Once they reach their destination, a harmonious song begins to resonate in the surroundings. This melodious chorus not only seeks to attract potential mates but also establishes territories and marks the beginning of a crucial life cycle for the species. Number 8. Bluefin tuna. The bluefin tuna, one of the most extraordinary creatures of the oceans, undertakes an epic journey across vast marine territories to fulfill its life cycle: reproduction. These giants of the sea, known for their speed and strength, undertake astonishing migrations that can span thousands of kilometers. Every year, these magnificent fish begin their journey from different regions of the ocean towards specific areas where they congregate to reproduce. This journey demands incredible endurance, as they must navigate currents, temperature changes, and other challenges of the ocean. The motivation behind this colossal journey is the perpetuation of the species. Bluefin tunas gather in spawning areas, where females and males meet to release their eggs and sperm, respectively. This natural phenomenon is crucial to maintaining the balance of the bluefin tuna population. Number 7. Stork. The stork, known for its distinctive figure and its epic migration in search of suitable places for reproduction, is a true symbol of tenacity and dedication in the animal kingdom. These birds travel astonishing distances, often thousands of kilometers, to find ideal environments to raise their offspring. Storks, recognized for their long legs and black and white plumage, undertake incredible migratory journeys from their wintering areas in warmer regions to more suitable areas for reproduction. During these journeys, they fly in formations, taking advantage of thermal currents to reduce physical effort and energy consumption. The reason behind these migrations is the search for suitable environments to nest and raise their chicks. Storks often return year after year to the same place, often nesting in high structures such as trees, church towers, or poles. These places offer security and protection for their offspring as they grow. Number 6. Swallow. Swallows, those elegant birds that soar through the skies with their agile and graceful flight, are known for their fascinating migration over vast distances in search of suitable places for reproduction. These journeys are true odysseys, full of determination and adaptability. Every year, these birds undertake migratory journeys that challenge distance and weather conditions. They depart from their wintering areas in the south, crossing entire continents, to reach their breeding areas in the north. They traverse oceans, mountains, and vast territories, following ancestral routes ingrained in their collective memory. During their migration, swallows face countless challenges. The search for food, shelter, and suitable nesting conditions drives them to cover long distances. But their ability to adapt and find opportunities in different environments is extraordinary. Along the way, they find strategic places to rest and replenish their strength, taking advantage of natural resources that allow them to continue their journey. Number 5. Monarch butterfly. The monarch butterfly is a true winged globetrotter, a tiny being capable of epic journeys. These elegant insects migrate prodigious distances to carry out an exceptional life cycle. From their habitats in North America to sanctuaries in Mexico or even certain regions of California, these creatures undertake an incredible journey, defying geographical borders and natural adversities. The migration of monarch butterflies is a fascinating odyssey that arouses wonder. Every year, millions of these delicate beings undertake a flight that spans thousands of kilometers in search of warm and suitable environments for their reproduction. They move in swarms, following generational routes that have been instinctively transmitted over centuries. These journeys are an act of resistance and determination. Monarch butterflies face numerous challenges during their journey. They cross mountains, oceans, and even human-made obstacles such as urbanization and loss of natural habitats. Nevertheless, they persist, relying on their instinct and that astonishing ability to adapt that defines them. Number 4. Caribou. The caribou, also known as reindeer in Eurasia, stars in one of the most impressive migrations in the animal kingdom. These creatures embark on epic journeys, covering hundreds or even thousands of kilometers to find ideal breeding sites. In these journeys, they defy inhospitable terrain and extreme weather conditions. Every year, caribou undertake this amazing journey in search of areas where they can find food and, especially, to give birth to their offspring. These migrations are not only crucial for their survival but also play an essential role in the balance of the ecosystems they inhabit. During these journeys, caribou face multiple challenges. From crossing icy rivers to evading natural predators like wolves and bears, their survival instinct is put to the test. However, their adaptation to these hostile environments is impressive, as they often form large herds that offer them protection and facilitate the search for food. Number 3. Whale. The whale, in its dance through the oceans, is a true symbol of tenacity and determination in its journey over long distances to reproduce. These marine colossi undertake epic migrations, covering thousands of kilometers from their feeding areas to their breeding grounds. Whales, despite their imposing size, display surprising grace in their migratory journey. From the cold polar waters to the warm tropics, they cross oceans and continents with a unique purpose, the cycle of life. This journey is not only a physical journey but also an emotional and reproductive event crucial for the continuity of their species. Whales form strong and complex social bonds, and the act of reproducing is a vital part of their existence. Males compete for the right to mate with females, displaying melodic songs and physical demonstrations of strength to gain their attention. Females, on their part, carefully select their mate, seeking the best candidate to ensure the strongest and healthiest offspring. Number 2. Salmon. The salmon, a fearless freshwater swimmer, undertakes a prodigious journey to fulfill its life cycle. From its birth in streams and rivers, these magnificent fish are destined for an impressive odyssey, defying currents and overcoming obstacles in an epic journey to the sea and back to their birthplaces to reproduce. Their journey is a display of resilience and determination. After years in the ocean, they receive an internal call to return to their place of origin. Guided by ancestral instincts, they embark on a journey that can involve thousands of kilometers of swimming against fast currents and challenging waterfalls. The return home is crucial for the salmon, as it is there that they will spawn and ensure the continuity of their species. Once they reach the fresh waters of the rivers, they face a final challenge: ascending rivers and streams to find the exact place where they were born. Number 1. Loggerhead turtle. The loggerhead turtle, scientifically known as Caretta caretta, is a wandering wonder of the seas that defies distances in its quest for reproduction. This majestic reptile is renowned for its ability to cover extensive distances from its feeding grounds to the beaches where they were born, traversing entire oceans with unparalleled determination. These sea turtles face an epic journey, sometimes covering thousands of kilometers, navigating ocean currents and natural challenges, to return to the beaches where they were born. There, in an ancestral act, they dig nests in the sand to deposit their eggs, thus continuing the cycle of life. It's fascinating how these creatures, despite the immensity of the ocean, have the innate ability to locate themselves with millimeter precision in their breeding areas. Some scientists suggest they use terrestrial magnetic fields or even astronomical signals to navigate, a nature's enigma that continues to astonish science.